Hi, my name is Sadia, and in this video, let's discuss about profiles in Data 360. In this video, we'll also discuss about what are profiles, what is the purpose of profiles, how can we access them, and how to analyze the visitor's attributes and events. So let's take a look at what are profiles. The profiles feature in Data 360 offers you insights about each individual visitor that has been a part of your running campaigns pertaining to VW testing, insights, rollouts, and personalize. Now, what is the purpose of profiles? This consists the visitor qualities that are relevant for them as well as the events that are triggered during your campaign. This allows you to understand what kind of visitors come to your website and what do they do there. Now, let's take a look at how can we access these profiles. To access the profiles feature from the main menu panel, in your dashboard click on Data 360, then switch to profiles. Towards the left hand side, you can now see the UUIDs of the visitors populated here in the order of most recent at the top. For discussions and further analysis, you can share the UUID of visitors with your team. For this, you can use the copy icon as shown here. Copy the UUID to be pasted where required. From the visitor's profile, you can study and analyze the corresponding properties and events as follows. So let's discuss about visitors' attributes. The Attributes tab features the standard and custom attributes along with the corresponding values pertaining to visitors. You can search for visitor attributes by entering the name here or the value in the search bar. As you enter the search string, the attribute along with the corresponding values are populated. For example, let's say I want to search for traffic source. As you can see, the attribute and the value has been populated. Please note that in case VW has been blocked via browser settings or account settings from collecting any of the standard attributes, the respective field will not display any value for the corresponding visitor. Now let's analyze the Events tab. The Events tab features the events that are triggered on your website by the visitor during your campaigns. It starts populating all the events pertaining to those running campaigns. These events are featured as a timeline where they are grouped under the respective dates, and each event entries is marked by the time of the trigger. You can click on an event to view the following details such as name of the event, description of the event, API name of the event, trigger date and time as follows. Also, the event properties and their corresponding values are available here. Also, with the properties and values, you can analyze what is the page that the visitor has landed on. Is it a new visitor or a returning visitor? So, if the value of is first is 1, then it is a new visitor. If it's 2, then it's a returning visitor. What's the campaign ID that they've become a part of, and which variation is served for them. So if the property has the value 1, then they've been served with control. If the property value is 2, then they've been served with variation 1 and so on. And you can see the events being created and the actions or the events being performed by the visitors too. Thank you for watching.